From the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, here's our severe weather outlook for Friday, October 4th, 2013. We recorded this around 10 a.m. We're not forecasting a severe weather outbreak, but we do think we'll be issuing quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings this evening. The most likely time for severe storms will be from about 5 o'clock until around midnight, give or take an hour on either side. The most intense storms could have hail as big as golf balls and some damaging wind gusts, and every storm will have some heavy rain and, of course, lightning. We're not too worried about tornadoes with this afternoon and evening storms. Of course, anytime you have a thunderstorm, you can have a tornado, so we can never say the tornado potential is zero, but we think tornado chances are very, very low across western Oklahoma and pretty close to zero across central Oklahoma, including the Oklahoma City metro area. When we break down the timing of the storms, we see the best chances are in northwest Oklahoma during the late afternoon and early evening hours. Storms will develop along a cold front, which will be pushing into northwest Oklahoma around this time. Rain and thunderstorms will expand across more of Oklahoma and North Texas in the 7 p.m. to midnight time frame, and this is when we expect to be the busiest with severe thunderstorm warnings here in the office. Again, our main concerns are lightning, strong gusty winds, and some hail as the storms moved east and southeast this evening. After midnight, the risk of severe weather will go down, but we'll still be dealing with a lot of storms. A few of these could still have some damaging wind gusts, but we think most areas east of Interstate 35 will mainly get rain and some gusty winds. Of course, you'll still want to keep a close eye on the weather if you live east of I-35, as things could change slightly. There are more than 100 high school football games scheduled for tonight across our county warning area, and that's really our main concern this evening. We've outlined some of the key things that you should be thinking about this evening if you or your child will be attending or playing in a game. The most important thing to do is to monitor the weather. If you have a smartphone, keep an eye on the radar if you can, and watch for signs of developing storms to your west or northwest. You might try and find out if your school has a safety plan specifically for games and see what that plan says. When you get to the game this evening, scout out where you'll go if you need to take shelter from the lightning and the rain. Sturdy buildings like bathrooms or concession stands are usually best. Schools should not wait for a severe thunderstorm warning to make safety decisions this evening. We don't issue warnings for lightning, and it occurs with every single thunderstorm. If you see lightning or hear thunder, it's time to go to your safe place. Your vehicle makes a pretty good lightning shelter if you can't get to a sturdy building. The bottom line is that you are responsible for your own safety, and you should not rely on someone else to tell you when it's time to take shelter. If you feel threatened, see lightning, or hear thunder, go to your safe place. We will be here monitoring the weather for you and providing updates on our webpage and on social media. You can help us out a lot by encouraging your friends and family to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and by spreading the word about today's weather outlook. Thanks.